grave. Everything has shifted like the tides that drift apart. We've become distant to worlds no longer charted. I lament the echoes of what once was, hearing news of you wanting to return. Like a whisper in the wind, I can only hold back the tears. In the silence that surrounds, Lord, what can I do as this storm